Hey you guys, what is up? Hey girl, hey, it is your girl Tash and welcome back to the channel. So for today's video, you guys, things look a little different, I think. I try to change things around so that you guys can have like a better picture, like coming in, you know, when I'm doing eye looks and stuff. Now today, the eye look that I'm gonna do is going to be pretty much sped up because we're not doing an eye look video today. Your girl's gonna be testing out the Milani Glow Hydrating Skin Tint, and I was actually gonna pass on this one, but stay tuned, we'll get into all that in the video. Alright you guys, I just want to put it out there really quickly. If you see stuff to the side here, I have some makeup over here. Just keep in mind that I'm constantly decluttering, so you might see makeup all over the place. If you are new here, I want to say hit that subscribe button if you're enjoying today's content before you leave. And also, if you guys do enjoy the content, please take a moment, smash the like button. It really helps me out. And let's get into the video. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to talk to you guys really quickly about this Milani Tinted Hydrating Skin Tint. I did pick mine up in the shade 210 Light to Medium. It says it has electrolytes, coconut water blend, and I think that is it. So, again, number 210 Glow. It says an ultra luminous skin tint, sheer to light coverage, melts into the skin for a naturally dewy glow. Powered by 29% squalene, powerhouse ingredient locks in moisture and prevents hydration loss. Glow enhancing ingredients, as I said before, the electrolytes, the coconut water blend, and it also has vitamin C and E, so some pretty good skincare ingredients in this product, which is really what drew me to it. And it looks like the good ingredients are pretty high up on the ingredient list. You've got water, squalene, I can never say that word, but it's a good skincare ingredient. You've also got, I don't see anything bad in here that would be like bad for my skin personally. It's got glycerin, like I said, coconut water. Oh, it's got jojoba oil. It's so small. Coconut, I already said that. So yeah, some really good skincare ingredients in this product. I'm super excited about it. We will get into this in a little bit. I actually want to do my eyeshadow first. And all I'm going to be using is the Ccolor Cabana palette because I've never used it before. This one is a dupe for the ABH Rivera palette. So I'm going to go ahead and bring you guys in, do a look so that you guys can see the quality of the palette, and then we're going to get into the Milani. Alright y'all, so it's finally time to get into the hydrated skin tint. Again, I did pick mine up in light to medium. So I'm going to try this out with a sponge. I'm probably going to like it best with my hands, I assume. If I forgot to mention, you do get 1 full ounce, so 30 mils. Ooh, that's a little bit darker than I had anticipated, but nonetheless, we're going to try it out. I'm not using any shade adjusters today because it's a skin tint, so I wouldn't think that I would need it. It's pretty much going to have a short shade range that's going to work with a lot of different skin tones. So got some on here. I've already primed my face. Check the description box if you're curious of what I used. You guys know what this product kind of reminds me of is the Urban Decay One and Done, where it's kind of a one and done. It's got really light coverage with a nice, you know, skin-like finish, but yet a nice pretty glow. And I mean, you're literally just one and done and you're out the door. Kind of, you know, just to even your skin tone and give it a little bit of a live look, I guess. So I'm just going to go in here with my fingers, old school way, and see what kind of coverage we can get. Because there's a product that I tested out, I think this month or last month, and I didn't like it until I started using my fingers. So I do see a little more coverage with using the fingers, which, I mean, I hate the feel of makeup on my fingers now that I've, you know, discovered brushes and sponges and all that good jazz over the last few years, but it's the old school way I used to apply my makeup, so it is what it is. I'm going to bring you guys in for the one layer look and then show you the difference between the sponge side and the finger side. Whew, we are really close. So here's my finger side. Here's the sponge. Finger side. Sponge. So it's not feeling real heavy on the skin, which I love. I do like the side that I got, I did with my fingers better, because I think that there is a little bit more coverage there. Now this is sheer to light coverage, so if you're looking for a ton of coverage, you're probably not going to get it. I am going to build a little bit or see if it's buildable, and I'm going to use my fingers all over and see what we can get. Now if you notice, I'm not going down the neck. I'm not going anywhere today, so I just don't see the point. I mean, I'm going to be taking a shower after this, so. Alright. I think we got a tad bit more coverage, and so far I'm loving how this feels on the skin. I'm going to go off camera, do the rest of my makeup, but when I come back, I want to talk to you guys about this Milani Glow Hydrating Skin Tint. Alright you guys, so this is the final look. I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. So far, I have to say, I'm very, very, very impressed with this product. I saw it on some other channels and stuff, and I really did not think I was going to like this. That was one of the main reasons that I held off on buying it, but that just goes to show that we all have different expectations when it comes to makeup. We all have different skin types and things that we like about products and things that we don't. So I think it's a beautiful product. I cannot wait to use this all summer long, as well as a couple of the other products that I picked up that have launched this year in January, because they're very lightweight products. They're literally a one and done. You can apply this with your fingers, throw on some brows, mascara, gloss, and boom, you're out the door. It's just, that is kind of the makeup I'm trying to go for in 2021. So guys, if that's the kind of finish and everything that you're looking for, definitely pick this up and try it out. I did pick mine up from CVS. As I told you guys in my Joa video, if you shop at CVS, you can generally find the products on sale as well as earn cash back to shop at CVS. So for example, say that they have something on sale for a sale price, and then if you buy 2 of that brand, you can get $10 an extra bucks back. So you virtually made $10 off of that purchase. Or spend $15 on this brand and you can get $10 back. I mean, literally you spent $5 on those items, and it's crazy the amount of money that you can earn back. I have gotten a ton of free makeup that way, so don't forget to shop your local CVS or shop them online. You can still earn the cash rewards online. So yeah, back to this. I think it's a beautiful product. I don't want you guys to stray away from this product if they don't have your shade, because they're so tinted that look. This will work for me in the summertime as well as right now. It's really not that dark, and you guys know that I like my foundations generally a shade or 2 darker, just to give me some more color. So I really like this. It's really nice and glowy. It's, again, very lightweight on the skin. Again, if you're not the type that likes that sheer to light coverage, you're not gonna like this. Also guys, if you are swimming in foundation products, tinted moisturizers, and things like that right now, remember guys, don't overwhelm your makeup collections, because it's just gonna overwhelm you. And of course, I want you guys to enjoy your makeup. But this is that one and done product. I mean, you can literally put your skincare on, wait 10 to 15 minutes, let that skincare sink in, boom, you're out the door. And it just kind of evens out your overall skin tone. I actually paired this with the Neutrogena Radiant Cream Concealer, and love, 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 love. So if you guys are curious as to what else I used on my face today, oh, I did want to shout out this lip product that I'm wearing. It is the new Maybelline, I think these are Slim something lipsticks. Ultimate Slim lipstick, I think. And I'm wearing the shade Scarlet with a little bit of one of my favorite lip glosses from the dollar store. And it's the LA Colors Lip Shine Shea Butter Lip Gloss. Again, everything will be linked down below for you guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. I love you guys so, so much, and I know a lot of YouTubers say that, but you guys know I genuinely mean it. So if you're new here, what's up? My name is Tash. I hope that you enjoyed the content today. Please feel free to check out any of my other videos on my channel or the 2 here on the sides. I would love to have you subscribe and hit that bell. That way you don't miss out on any future uploads, giveaways, sales, and things like that. I want to say thank you guys, as always, for taking time out of your busy days to come hang out with me. It means so, so much to me. I hope you guys are staying safe out there. Until next time, take care, and I love you. Bye, guys.